Hi everyone, welcome to Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts. I'm Tammy, and thank you for joining me in celebrating the CEO's birthday today, which is the early bird draw for the birthday challenge. I have so far 6 entries for the birthday challenge, so I have them in my book here. Number 1 is Cindy N. Number 2 is Barbara Ford. Number 3 is It's a Deal. Number 4 is I'm Busy Crafting. Number 5 is Cheryl Taylor. And number 6 is Sue Noko from Crafty Sue 519. And so I'm just going to show you, well, I'll put the numbers in. So number 1, put them in the container here for Cindy N. Number 2 for Barbara Ford. Number 3 for It's a Deal. Number 4 for Crystal, I'm Busy Crafting. Number 5 for Cheryl Taylor. Number 6 for Sue Noko from Crafty Sue 519. Just give those a nice little shake. And I'm just going to put those down there for a second, show you what I'm giving away as the package here. So, first of all, I have these adorable little flowers from, they're daisies from the Paper Studio. And they're like a burlap material, adorable. So those 6 little flowers. Then I did up a little package of these little daisies in all different colors, and there's let me see, 16 there. Then I did up a little package of bling, so there's some different colors there, but then I also did the rhinestones and some turquoise ones on the back. Just a little bit to get you going there. I have also included this Forever in Time vellum book, and it has 12 pages of sentiments that you can cut out and put in cards or journal, whatever. Some are all different colors, some are done in gold and silver. Just beautiful little ones like family is forever, happy life, be positive, let's see, life won't sparkle unless you do. Just beautiful little sentiments that you can, birthday girl, awesome, you know, ones that you can make cards with. So that little book there, that one's from Forever in Time. Then I am including one of these glitter packs from Forever in Time, and this is 12 sheets of 6x6 glitter paper, and it shows all the ones down here, and there's 2 of each color. It's like an ombre, and they're really cool if you're using these for a background on a card, or you want to use die cuts and stamps, or dye some of these, you know, cut some of these out for different things. They're perfect. Then I'm including this 6x6 paper pad by Echo Park, and this is the Fashionista, and this paper pad here, and it has all those pages on the front there, the little high heels and all the beautiful little colors, lipsticks, and it is taped at the bottom there, but I'll try to, you can see all the different pages, handbags, you know, the little dresses, and just so cute. And they are double-sided as well. So you get that. There's 24 pages in there. I also have included these 2 stamp sets. This one here, it says counting blessings, be amazing, hashtag happy day. I love everything about you. And there's 14 altogether in this stamp set. Heidi Swap stamp set. And then this Heidi Swap stamp set is the little banners, which are adorable, and it also includes the die to go with it. So you can cut those out and put them on a card, or if you're doing journal, those are adorable too. And then I showed in a video a week or so ago a tutorial using a blender pen, and so I got my order in today from Stampin' Up. So here is one of the blender pens, and so I'm going to include that. It has 2 different tips on it, and you can dip the blender pen in the ink, and you use that to color with, and then you can shade with it. It shades beautifully, and then when you want to change colors, you just rub it on a little piece of paper until it goes white, clear, and then you pick up the next color. They're fantastic. Like I said, you can look at my tutorial on my channel, or go on YouTube and just put in Stampin' Up blender pens, and you'll see all kinds of tips and tricks for using these. Also, I have included one of the aqua painters, and these are absolutely fantastic too. This part fills up with water, so you unscrew this part here, and you just put a little bit of water in here and screw this back on. It has a brush in here, and you can use this to pick up the paint, or your ink, and you can make the most amazing watercolor pictures. Beautiful, and it does excellent shading, and I love using this. So because I included the blender pen and the aqua painter, I wanted to also give you some watercolor paper. So I cut up, I think there's like at least 12 pieces of watercolor paper here, and it's very, very good quality. It's 140-pound watercolor paper. So you can use that to stamp your image on, cut it out, or even use these and, fold it over, use it as part of your card. So it's nice if you haven't used watercolor paper before to actually see the difference between this and regular cardstock. It's like night and day, and you'll find that when you're using water to use on the watercolor paper, it won't like pill up, or you'll just notice it, and it's amazing. And because it is Crew's birthday today, my friend sent me a whole bunch of boxer stickers, so I thought that I would throw a few of these in the little package to go out in celebration of his birthday. So that is your little prize pack in celebration of my sweet boy Crew birthday today. And like I said, we have our 6 entries. If you didn't have a chance to enter for the early bird, don't worry, you still have time to enter for my birthday and the draw on June 2nd for my husband's draw. And all you need to do is be 18, be a visible subscriber, and all I'm asking for is a homemade card for a birthday card, and a homemade card for Jason, my husband, in celebrating 25 years at his job, which is Air Canada. And I ask that you can make it however you like. He does love Superman, hockey, wrestling. He loves Superman. So, but it's up to you how you would like to make his card, as long as it's celebrating 25 years. So he has no idea about this. I have been keeping him from watching the videos at all, And he actually just said to me today, he's like, it's driving me crazy because I love watching your videos and I don't know what's happening. It's like, whatever. And so anyways, I'm going to get him to open all his cards on the 2nd in a video, and then he will actually do the draw on June 2nd for his prize, which is $25 Canadian, and I will be doing a draw for $52 Canadian on May 25th. So like I said, you still have time to enter, but let's get to the 6 that did get in for the early bird. So good luck to everyone, and thank you so much for participating. Just getting him, mix them all up. Okay, good luck. We have number 4. So this is for Crystal at I'm Busy Crafting. Congratulations, Crystal. You have won the little prize package, and congratulations. I loved your card and your little notebook you sent me. Everything was precious, and your name is going, of course, back in the draw for the draw on the 25th and the 2nd, as well as everybody else's. They're all going to be in the draw for the next 2 drawings. So thank you so much. Again, anybody that still wants to participate, there's still lots of time, and thank you for celebrating my sweet boy's special day. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day, and God bless to each and every one of you. And just thanks for supporting my channel. Bye-bye.